Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video, I'll take you through what to do in case your computer is not able to print to a network printer it used to print to. So in this video, I'll show you how we can use a USB cable to connect to that printer without you having to install any device drivers or printer drivers on your computer. So the first thing we are going to do is to grab a USB cable, a printer USB cable. It should look like that. One side should be the type A USB and then the other side should be the square USB. So you want to plug that end, the square end of the USB cable to the printer, and plug the type A side of the USB cable to your computer, the computer that is no longer printing to the network printer. So the next thing you want to do is to click start, click the settings on that same computer, click Bluetooth and devices, select printers and scanners, and then over here you want to find the printer you are not able to print to. Click on it, select printer properties, and then in the printer properties pop-up window you want to select the ports tab, and then over here you will see that in this case you can see that the printer is originally connected through the network using the printer's IP address as shown on the screen now. But since we've just connected the printer to the PC using a USB cable, we need to select a USB port in this list. So I'll select the checkbox beside the USB port that has the printer's name beside it. So select the checkbox, click apply, click OK to save the settings. After saving your settings, you would still see the printer status as offline. Don't panic. All you need to do is to give the PC or the computer a little bit of time, maybe a minute or two, because at this stage the computer would set up the printer in the background. So after those few moments you would definitely see the printer pop up in the list of installed printers. So you can see that mine has popped up on the screen, which is the HP LaserJet or HP Color LaserJet Pro 3203. I'll click on it, select the printer properties, so you can see that the status has now changed from offline to idle. So it means there's a connection between the PC and then the printer. So we can see that the USB port we selected earlier is still selected. So the connection is successful and everything is working now. You can print test page if you want, and that should be it. So yes guys, if you find this video helpful, kindly subscribe, like and share for more tips like these. Bye for now.